Hi, Bryson.
And I'm going to show you how to make a Gucci belt.
So what are you doing?
I'm trying to make a Gucci belt. I messed up.
You pop your Gucci belt?
I messed up. That's not how you make it. Because one side's supposed to be under, another side's supposed to be another. That's why. First up, guys. Everyone, listen up. Listen up, please. Brand Stewart. You're trying to make... You gotta be kidding me on my shoes.
I think you're having a problem with your Gucci belt.
I don't think there's a problem with my Gucci belt. I have to take it to the nurse because I'm not sure what happened. Oh, this is perfect. Watch, it's not gonna break anymore. Watch. Because, oh, it's a little too long on that side, so go like this. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Something's wrong with my Gucci belt, guys. First step. Hey, guys, I was just trying to mess up. But this time I won't try to mess up. No, a little too much there. Perfect timing, right, guys? You just gotta be careful.
Are you making the G now for Gucci?
Uh-huh.
You got it?
Yep, I made my Gucci belt. I told you I wouldn't mess up anymore. I tried to. I told you I wouldn't mess up.
Okay.
Subscribe and... Why did I just do that? I said it wasn't going to break, though.
Well, that Gucci belt.
Oh, poops. Okay, that's the end of the video, guys. Bye-bye. Stop watching me.